Hey, yeah, by the way, my name is Cherish, and my actresses today were all Shelby. Shelby was the skater person.
He was during quarters.
And Shelby was also the emo person.
Oh yeah, if you have a MySpace, hit me up. My MySpace name is Skater Babe. Don't worry, I don't look emo.
Yeah, she doesn't. And my name is Cherish.
Oh, but I have a lip ring. It's not in right now because
she does.
Yeah, I did it tonight. It hurt really bad.
Dude, I'm not serious. I am serious. It's really crazy. Okay.
I got the lighter and I put an earring thing, and I just went like that and stabbed it in my lip. It hurt.
Yeah, I know. She's crazy. Crazy.
And don't worry, I'm not really emo. If you wanted, what the hell?
Come back.